Let's do some examples for the input functions. Example number 1. Name equals to input of enter your name. Print of name, which returns enter your name. When you plug in the name and then press enter, you will get Moein here. Look, it is a simple procedure. You can use Colab, you can use Jupyter, you can use Visual Studio. Just write name equals to input of enter your name. Enter your name inside the quotes and then print off name, because this whole thing has been identified by name. It is the variable name. It is the identifier. It is the placeholder in the computer memory. So whenever you want to access this kind of information from here up to here, you need to call to the name, N-A-M-E. So you need to take the print of name here, print of name. When you take the print of name, you will get enter your name. Look, remember, so far we were getting the statement in the final output because of the print function. But when you use the input function, you can bypass the print function here. Look, it is the input function. When you take the print of name, you will get enter your name only, because this input is not the part of the expression. It is the function. Input is the function. Input of enter your name. When you run the program, you will get first enter your name with the colons. Remember, you have colons here, and then when you type the name like Moein and then press the enter, you will get Moein here. That's how input function works. Whatever you want to plug in, you just plug in there and then press the enters. You will get that stuff in the output, in the final output. This is what we call the input functions.